Hey everyone, it's Muriel. So I'm here this evening to share with you guys a mini envelope flip book that I made. I wouldn't call it mini because this is a standard 4x5 envelope, so we'll just call it a envelope flip book. So I thought I would step out of my comfort zone. I don't know if I've made one of these before, but they seem to be all the rage and such a great way to share Happy Mail with a pen pal. So I have someone in mind that I'm going to be sending this to, and I just finished it with a card, and I want to share with you what it looks like. Now I have closed up the envelopes just with some washi tape so that the person will be truly surprised with the goodies inside, but not so much of what the book looked like until they get it. So again, it's just 6 envelopes that I made, and I'll tell you, I've had this Mombi kit for so long. I think I picked it up maybe at Michael's or at Tuesday Morning. It just comes with a 6 8x8 paper pads. Excuse me, not paper pads, but sheets of paper, 8x8. It comes with a sticker sheet and some soft-spoken pieces. And some of them are dimensional. Many of those are dimensional. So I've had it forever and got tired of seeing it, and thought, what could I do with it? So I thought it would be perfect to make this envelope flip book. So I'll show it to you here. So I've been really inspired by lots of ladies over on Instagram. I've probably followed recently about 6 ladies. I'm just like, oh my goodness, I love what she did. I love how she did that. So anyway, so I got a lot of ideas. So to start with my jump ring here, I just have this cabochon charm, and it's from Hobby Lobby. I even reached out and made a tassel, and I tell you, scrap the world. Tamika, she made this tassel like someone was making macaroni and cheese. Not even a problem. And I had so many issues with, first of all, threading the beads, and then with the jump ring, and then the clasp, but I managed to get through one. And then I started looking at tutorials on how to make them with, because mine are made with embroidery thread, floss. So I started looking at ways to make them, and someone had an idea where it's a little less detailed as this, which is fine with me. But nonetheless, I did make a tassel. And this is one of the acetate pieces that come with the collection. I just punched a hole and put a eyelet through it. And then I have this wooden phrase here that says lovely. This is by My Mind's Eye. This was a Tuesday Morning find some time ago. It's a pack like this, and it comes with some wooden circle pieces at the bottom that I also used. Okay, so and then I made this pom-pom, and this is made with the Snow and Cocoa collection pom-poms. I literally threaded this through the pom-pom so that it wouldn't move, and this person can use it on whatever they want to. So the first page here just has a doily layered over the envelope with some of the die cut pieces, the flower. This says all smiles. I used some enamel dots and then some of these little tabs. Documented look here. And you'll be able to see on the back that it is sealed with some butterfly washi tape. So again, just want the surprise element to be there. This one here, I just folded the top of the doily over the envelope, some enamel dots. The kit came with this acetate doily. And then again, just used some of the washi tape and some of the tags and the arrow saying go again here. I also punched the corners, and then I used my small little circle tab punch to make these silver tabs to go over it. And there's that washi sealed there. This one here has a Recollections doily, which is kind of mint green, and then some of the die cuts, enamel dots, and again another arrow saying hello with the thumbs up. And that one, let's see here, the washi tape is so light. I'll fix that. And then the fourth one, again, everything layered on the doily with the arrows. This is an acetate tag underneath another tag, and then one of the dimensional stickers here with the camera that says, "I love this, our life here and now record with the date." So I don't know if the name of the collection is Memories. So I guess I could have made, they look like they made a layout with it, if you can see here on the bottom right hand corner, which is really cute too, but I decided to make this flip book. Okay, so then that's that one there. And this one here, again, everything clustered on this doily. It has the dimensional sticker, "Oh Snap," the camera with the arrow. This is a journaling tag, another acetate doily underneath here. And then I have this Yay pin that I picked up at Tuesday morning. I'm not sure who the, I don't see it here, but there were 4 of them, so I decided to, it's like a bobby pin, really pretty, pink, it says Yay. Dimensional stickers and some more washi tape. And then in the corner here's a little camera. And then, see, it just doesn't want to stay down, and that's fine because I don't want it to like be glued on, but it's a really light washi. And then the last one here has this beautiful green and white small polka dot lace doily, and then on top is a journaling card with a scalloped edge. I put some gems on there. The dimensional stick of the camera says "Say Cheese," and then these little tabs, "Noted today, fun." So fun to make, quick to make, easy to make. I hope she likes it. I got some really, just a few goodies that are popular right now in the crafting community. So then what I did with the scraps, because there were scraps, the scraps from the envelopes, I made a card, and I got this idea for the card from Pop Paper Fizz. Hope it's not Pop Fizz paper. I hope not. But you take, well, first of all, the paper is from the Hello Sunshine collection. I have a 12 by 12 sheet, but this is the 6 by 6 paper pad. And it's from Pink Paisley. It is from 2014. Looks like I bought it in 2015. And I think I bought it because it has lots of reference to rain. I mean, there's a page with the umbrellas. There's pages with raindrops. So this will be really sweet to use when the spring in March and April and May, especially with the rain that we get here in the Pacific Northwest and clouds. So really fun. So within this paper pad, I got this sheet of paper with these cute hearts on it. Then I took one of the, what do you want to call those? Die cut pieces. I don't know if it's from this collection or from another collection. And I just glued it on top, taped it on top, and then when I used that to close the envelope. Again, I made a card. It's just a standard 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 card. What you do, and I got this idea from Danny, is you take the strips, you cut up strips from the remaining paper, and you just lay it across your card. This is just a 110-pound white cardstock. And here is a die cut or ephemera piece that I had from one collection that says "Hello Love." I just mounted it on some white paper and used some gems. Are they here? Not gems, but enamel dots. I'm sorry. Yes, here they are. So the envelope, I use a lot of these stickers. Here are the stickers that I use on these envelopes. And then many of the die cuts are from this American Craft bits, and they all look like that. So that's what I use to complement the envelopes, right? So there you go with the Hello Love. And then this is a doily from, I think, a Coffee Time collection from Prima. It has the word love underneath, but I took the wooden piece from the My Mind's Eye right there and just covered the word up right here. And again, just layered the paper and then put enamel dots up there and enamel dots down here. And then on the inside, I used a sticker that says "Messy Bun" and "Getting Things Done." And those are those butterfly washies. Then there was another die cut piece from this cardstock shapes, and it's right there. And what I do is I put those on the back if I don't have a use for them. So I just put the date and I just put my channel's name. So really fun. The envelope came out really, really cute. Envelopes are such a great way to use up paper. Especially a lot of paper, depending on the size of the envelope you're going to make. So when they get that, that should be happy, and maybe they can repurpose it. So that is my share today. I was a little under the weather, I have to tell you guys. I shared with you some time ago where I had some vertigo issues, and Friday I was not feeling 100%. I don't know how other way to describe it other than I felt like I was off a little. Something was so I tried, you know, thinking I needed some caffeine or I needed just something to wake me up, but I'm on a no sugar, no carb, no alcohol, no regiment right now. So anyway, I get home Friday and, you know, just sitting there and I was just going, please don't tell me this is coming back again. And yes, it was, but thank goodness I had medication left over from when it occurred a while ago. So I was able to take those Friday night, Saturday twice, today once, because I'm feeling a lot better. And then I'll take the last one tomorrow before I'll call in a prescription for some more. So I don't know what's going on with this vertigo shit. I don't like being dizzy. I don't like it. I don't know what it means, but I don't know if it's too much caffeine. I don't know. So I'm going to just kind of cut back for that. I mean, I have 2 cups a day. I don't know if that's too much. Most people have a whole pot. But I don't know what it is, but I do feel a lot better. I don't know if it's because of my change in my lifestyle, because that's what I'm doing, a lifestyle change. I'm not doing a diet, but I needed to watch the sugars because that glucose was rising. And of course, carbs are, you know, what they are. And of course, alcohol is what it is. And potato chips are what they are. So those are the things that I have kind of like cut out of my diet. I mean, in terms of sugar, like I'll have a bran cereal and it has maybe 3 grams of sugar. So I'm really watching it. I don't do any salt because I take high blood pressure medication because I'm in that hereditary zone. So other than that, I thought I was a healthy horse, but we got to figure out what's going on with this vertigo. So I have done no research on the internet. I don't like looking on the internet up stuff, you know, looking up things when it's affecting me because I get scared. And yes, I want to know, but I'd rather hear it from, you know, a professional doctor or someone who can share some experiences. But I'm not going to go on the internet because you can't believe all that stuff. So anyway, that's what's been going on with me, but I'm glad I'm feeling cheery and I'm glad I was able to finish this. I'm going to get this in the mail. And I hope everyone has been still receiving those Valentine gifts. I got this in the mail today. I'm going to do this video when we finish. I'll let you see the box. So I cannot wait. And this is the one package. I think I know who it's from, but every time I get it, I go, oh, someone's husband has sent me Happy Mail because it's a man's name on the return. So I think I know who it is. So anyway, you guys, thank you for watching this mini envelope flip book. I hope you enjoyed this little project. Again, I have been watching lots of you girls' videos. You guys are doing so much. Scrap the World Tamika is just knocking it out of the park with her series of creative things you can make for snail mail. My list between her and Bona, I just can't keep up. I cannot keep up, but I have a chalkboard where I just write stuff down, and then when the time comes for me to create, I go, okay, that's what it's going to be today. So thank you again for watching. If you're new to my channel, this is Miss Cooper's Coop. All things paper crafting I love, and love you guys too. So until my next video, you take care. Bye now.